Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make money or how to use Studypool to earn money. All right. To earn money here, you can create an account, get approved as a tutor, or go ahead and sell any of your documents. Okay. Right here, you have that option, sell documents or become a tutor. Okay. So for becoming a tutor or to start tutoring, you can go ahead and go to studypool.com/online-tutor-job. Now in here, click on become a tutor. Okay. So just click on it. And then here you can go ahead and click on apply now. And then just basically follow simple prompts in here, add in your email, or you can go ahead and straight up sign up with your Google or Facebook account. All right. Wait for it and just tick on this checkbox right here and agree the terms of service. Now go ahead and click on start your application now. Okay. As it says here, the application will take about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one sitting. So just basically click on start your application. You'll just need to answer some questions, verify your email and the academic qualifications, and be prepared to take a subject-specific quiz to prove your expertise. And then after that, once you have your tutor account, you can now then go ahead and look for questions posted by students in your areas of expertise, then set your price for answering the questions, as this will be the amount you will earn if your bid is accepted. Okay. Once your bid is accepted, write a detailed high quality answer to the students' questions. Now, if you want to sell study documents, okay, you can go back to the same exact page right here to studypool.com online tutor job and just go ahead and tap on or click on sell docs. Okay, wait for it. And then once done, as you can see here, it says what to upload. You can go ahead and upload practice tests, exam prep materials, and study guides that can be a helpful resource for students. Okay, you could also upload past homework, projects, reports, presentations, papers, etc. that the students can review as references. You could also upload class notes, detailed class and lecture notes to help students learn and understand academic concepts. Also, multi-language content is accepted from all countries. Okay? And it says here, you can upload your document to earn up to $10 per doc viewed. Okay? You can go ahead and click on upload more files in here, or click on maximize earning for you to be able to have more features unlocked. Okay? As you can see here we have the documents that are accepted by Studypool. Okay, and how it works. First up, you upload the document, and uploaded documents will be sent to their notebank, and then your documents will be viewed once it is accepted by Studypool. Okay, once it's released, it will be viewed by students, and then if you clicked on it and viewed it, you can now then go ahead and earn money, which is basically $10 every time a student views your document. Okay, here we have the do's and don'ts and content examples in here and bad content examples. FAQs are given in here as well. So you can just go ahead and read this and the disclaimer as well. But that is basically how to use Studypool to earn money. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.